Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So basically you cannot join a group with an expired Telegram link, but what you can do is create a new joining link or invite link. To do so, head over to the Telegram and go to the group you want to create the link of, and simply tap on this pencil icon. From here, go to invite links and tap on create a new link, and you can set this time period to no limit in order to make sure that your link does not expire and people can join it whenever they want. So yeah, simply tap on create link and you will be done. Share this link with your friends in order to make them join your group. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.